Hey designers, what's going on? My name is Fahim MD. I'm a UX designer and welcome to my channel. I hope so far you guys had a great Christmas, and before I forget, happy holidays and a happy new year. I hope 2019 brings great joy and success to your life. Today I'm going to talk about, is it okay to copy your favorite UX websites? And this something happens to the best of us, including myself. So let me explain. A lot of UX designers like yourself and I, we tend to fall in love with our favorite websites. In my case, I have 5 websites that I personally love, and I visit them every month or so to see what new experiences they bring to their users, and I tend to learn from it, and I try my best to apply it to the projects that I am working on. So the 5 websites are Google, I love their website and their app; Airbnb, their website and their app; Uber, their app; Adobe website; and Apple, their website. So that is what I meant, that is it okay to copy your favorite UX websites? As you guys know, hopefully by now, that I've been doing this for more than 15 years-ish. Therefore, when I first started my career, there were a lot of sites that I fell in love with, and it was totally normal. Now, I look at this theory, I guess I can call it that, I look at it different. I have 3 points about this topic. Number 1, I believe it's 100% healthy to copy because you learn from it. A lot of companies, they copy from one another to enhance their product or their website in this case. For example, there's Behance and Dribbble. They're both design community website. There's Yelp and Zomato. It's a review website. There's Apple Music and Shopify, which is a music stream, app. And there's a lot more. I can just go on and on. But these companies that I've just mentioned, they do competitive research. By that, I mean there are certain things in the UI design that are industry standard, therefore it is okay to apply it into your own project. Here's a great example. Let me show you. So here's a great comparison. This is the Dribbble website and the Behance website. They're both famous, they're both in the design community. Designers come here, they post their work, they get likes, they get feedbacks, so on and so forth. And in the Dribbble side, you can see that there's a logo, links, and search. Behance has done the same thing. There's a logo, links, and also the search. Aside from that, you can pretty much tell just by looking at the UI, they're almost the same, right? Things like these you are allowed to copy. Why reinvent the wheel? So that's one way of copying, allowing industry standard tools in your competitor's website to your project. I hope that makes sense. If you have any questions or you disagree about this, please comment below and let's talk about it. I would love to know your point of view in this. So point number 2, and this is something I've seen a lot. Just because you fell in love with this new design that you've seen online or on the app doesn't mean you should redesign your project. I'm going to call it a project because it could be a website, app, or even a physical product. This way we're both on the same page and you understand what I'm saying. So I believe this is very normal. But your goal as a UX designer is to enhance the user experience of your project. It's like dating someone for 2 weeks and you decide to end up marrying them. Sounds so weird, right? Number 3, there are a lot of UI kits out there, and some of them have been successfully launched, and I've seen a lot of companies use it. About 2 years ago, Google has released Material Design. It became one of the top UI UX design, and of course a lot of big brands such as Google themselves and Airbnb, which is one of the sites, like I said, I visit a lot, have applied it. And Material Design, I've also applied it in my projects. Like my new startup Ziboom.com, there will be Material Design. I love it, and I think it's one of the best solutions in terms of UX. I'm not gonna get more detail about Material Design because this is not the video for it, but I will talk about it hopefully in my next video or so. And now here's where I copied. I was looking at these websites on how they were using Material Design, such as what is the correct way of adding titles, images, prices, things like that, and what is industry standard for these things. And I've learned from it and applied it into my redesigns. Based on my 3 points, I would love to know what are your thoughts, so please comment below. And if you're into these kind of topics, don't forget to click on that subscribe button and smash that like button, and also click on the bell icon because every time I upload, you'll be notified. Until then, see you on my next video.